Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. I have got a seasonal unboxing to share with you, and it is Fabfitfun. I'm gonna have to move right out of screen to show you. It's a really big box. So as always, if you're new to Fabfitfun, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before or know it all and you'd just rather see what items I received in their winter box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Fabfitfun is based in the US. They ship within the US for free, but they also ship to the UK, Alaska, Puerto Rico, Hawaii and Canada for an additional $10. The cost of the box is $49.99, and to ship to the UK there's VAT on top of that, and it works out to be around, say, $7, something like that. So it converted into English pounds, it works out to be around £50 to £55 every 3 months. 4 boxes are released a year, so this is their winter box. There's no hidden charges, no customs to pay or anything like that. It's tracked. You get emails sent to you when it's been sent off to you, when it's about to be delivered. So yeah, so I really like that. Fabfitfun is a subscription box, and they offer 2 types of subscriptions. They offer a seasonal subscription to members that have a rolling seasonal subscription and you can cancel any time, or they offer a select membership where subscribers pay up front for a year in advance. So when a new box is in the making, select yearly members get to choose their products. They get to choose 5 products, and Fabfitfun chooses 3. Now about a week or 2 later, seasonal subscribers can get to choose their products, and they choose 4, and Fabfitfun chooses 4 for them. So there's 8 products in all, and they're all full size, and the value of the boxes always come to over £200, so way above the actual cost of the box. I think it's an amazing subscription. It's one of my most exciting subscription boxes. It just covers everything. You've got makeup, skincare, body care, hair care, as well as jewellery, fashion and household and lifestyle and fitness. Anything. Some months are better than others. Don't know why, but their autumn boxes always seem to be a little bit below par on all the other boxes that they've had. The autumn or fall box that we had a couple of months ago, it was alright, but it wasn't a wow box. And last year as well, it was alright, but it wasn't a wow box. Fortunately, all the other boxes are amazing, and including their winter boxes, which tend to be the best boxes. If you're interested in taking this subscription out for yourself, I do have a refer a friend code for £10 off your first box. Your first box will be the winter box, and also you will have the same rights as a select yearly members, so you will get to choose more products in the first box that you receive. Now sometimes these boxes sell out, so if that's the case, you'll be sent what's known as an editor's box, and inside are jam-packed full of products that are a mix match from different boxes. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or if I haven't made any sense, please ask away in the comments, but all links and codes and everything related to this box I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose and what I received. So you'll find a magazine, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, as well as all the other products in the customization. So I'll give you a quick look at that in a minute. And these are all my products. Give you a sneak peek. If I sit on the side here, you'll be able to see better. So it says here what's inside the box, and it says your total value $200 or more. So the items with the green dots, all members have a choice of choosing them. Items with pink dots, select members, and then the items with blue dots, it's the Fabfitfun picks for you. That looks stunning. I saw on a Fabfitfun spoiler video with all the customizations, and yeah, that looks gorgeous. I actually had this one, I'm sure it's the same one, in my winter box last year, and apparently people loved it so much they brought it back. And I absolutely loved it. I loved the winter box so much that I ended up buying 3 of them for my friends and family for Christmas, because when you sign up you get like invited to sales and things, and you can buy extra boxes as well. So yeah, that is gorgeous, gorgeous. But yeah, those are lovely as well. But you will see what I went for. These are all the customizations all members can choose as well. Those are really pretty, aren't they? I really like those. So yeah, so there's that. Now the pink dots are what the select members chose, so the members that choose yearly, which I am. So we got to choose from 2 different customization categories, and these were all the products there. In all honesty, I found, is it customization number 5? There's only 3 products in there, and it's like, you'll see what I got. It's all right. It's handy, not exciting. It's one of those. You'll see in a minute. And then the last page then, so these are the items that Fabfitfun choose for you. When your customization's open and you go to, say, your first category and you think, oh, there's more than one item I would love. So you've got the option to choose the one item that you can choose, and then if you want any more from the category, you can pay. You can pay, is it $10 or $15? And the items get sent out with your box. So for this box, I decided I did want another item in a category, and I went for this, and I am super chuffed. Oh my word, oh my word, I've been wearing it for the last 2 days since I've had this box, and oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. It is so funny because my golden retriever dog is exactly the same colour. So when we like sit next to each other, it's like we all just blend into one. It is super soft, really nice deep pockets, long ties, and you could probably see some dog fur hanging off of that. It's blonde, doesn't matter. It is so nice. It's really nice. Now I can't remember exactly what the categories were because I'm not able to see them now on the website, but I think this is from category 1. This is a VIP edition, advanced teeth whitening, own your smile, get a brighter and whiter smile. Saw this on like the spoiler video Fabfitfun did, and I just thought, you know, that could be a gimmick. Really does it work? It's USB, plug it into your phone. Obviously phone not included, but I just thought, you know what, I've never tried anything like this before. My teeth aren't the greatest, so I thought, well, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna see what it's like. It says Mobile White is the latest innovation from Dr. Doffman, the leading dental expert in tooth whitening for over 30 years. And that's what it's supposed to look like there. After how many sessions though? I don't know. It's got a little leaflet, and that's what it looks like. So we've got the solution, got the wire, woo, and the wire's gone. How odd is that? Okay, let's plug that in there. If all else fails, I think putting that in a Christmas tree, you will be none the wiser. That is really cool. Well, it looks cool. I'll have to read this little booklet. I am excited by it though. I am really excited by it. So yeah, I cannot wait. If it is a miracle worker, you will know about it because I'll be shouting it from all my socials. So you will know about it for sure. If you don't hear anything, then yeah, you can assume that it didn't do much. So this kit is actually worth $89, and it just says here, Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. The whitening gel and LED light tray system gives you a brighter, whiter smile. And next I got a mirror, and this is a light mirror. What brand is it? This is Impressions Vanity Company Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror, High Definition Distortion Free Makeup Mirror, Soft Touch Sensor Dimmer Switch, Long Lasting Daylight LED Lights, Dual Power Source, and yeah, lots of information about it on the back there as well. That's the mirror, and there's a stand. If I hold this mirror here, you will see that it's got a stand, and you can tilt like that. And that's where the batteries go. You can fold it up flat, so if you wanted to take it away with you for a weekend or something, then you're able to do so. So let's get the ring light out the way. There. Can you see? It's sort of like a LED. Ooh! Is it turning? No, it's not. It's a very cool light. Very cool light. It's got like a blue tinge to it. Woo! So that's the second item I chose. I think this is number 3, and all members can choose this as well. This is an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Laura Geller, and I'm actually going to give this as a gift to someone. Ooh, you can see there. This is a Cinnamon and Spice 12 Well eyeshadow palette. It's the outer packaging. It's got all the shades on the back there. You've got a mirror at the top there, and then look at those shades. Oh, they're lovely. I've got lots and lots of palettes of these shades now. I'm still drawn to them. I'm actually wearing eye makeup using these shades, these type of shades. The recommended retail price for this palette is $45. Achieve warm daytime and smoky nighttime looks with 12 crease-proof shades. So there's that. Next item, I am really excited to have a look. I haven't opened them up yet. I wanted to do it on camera, even though I've been wearing the cozy robe. These are a pair of socks, and again, oh my gosh, they are so soft. Oh my gosh. Everyone can choose these. Oh my word, look. Oh, that is so nice. That is so soft. Even this is soft, even this. I'll give the calf test in a minute, but yeah, look. So they're gorgeous and stretchy, and as you can tell, they're all nice and fluffy and warm in there. Got little pom-poms, and then you've got like non-slip, what's it say? Mucklucks. That must be the brand, I don't know. Mucklucks, so you've got like non-slip little sticky pads there. You're going to think I'm a little bit weird now, but trust me, this is the easiest way you're going to see this. There. I'm a UK size 8. I haven't got really big calves, but they're not really slim either, and it's fine. They do fit up there. They're quite stretchy, you can see, but I'd say ideally I'd like to go up a size if I could. Maybe a bit of a stretch and it'll be fine. Yeah, no, that's better. Pulling on the old toes there, that is better. They are just so nice though. These are going to be on my feet as soon as this video is finished. I do really like them, and they came in different sizes as well. I chose the largest one. These are Mucklucks cabin socks, and to buy these it'll cost you $25. These cozy cabin socks feature a faux Sherpa lining to keep you warm. And the next category, which was category 5, only select members got to choose, and that was the category that only had about 2 or 3 options, and maybe a surprise me. So it would be one of those items from that category. I went for chopping boards. They are cutting boards set of 4 by ePar in different shades. So there's 4 here. They're very thin. See, the bendy. I think from the spoiler video that I saw on the Fabfitfun, say if you're chopping up something, and this is what made me like them a little bit more after I chose them. It's not that I don't like them, it's just that I don't really need chopping boards. But anyway, they said that say if you're chopping up an onion, meat, food, whatever you're chopping up, and then instead of like scraping all your food off into like a bowl or into your hands or something, then putting it in the pan, you can curve it like this. You can bend it like this and just slot it in, so less mess. So I thought that was quite handy. And they got little holes here, so you're able to hang them up on the wall if you want to. To buy the set of 4, it cost you $19.99, and it says each cutting board features a non-slip backing grip, so you can cut your veggies, fruits and more with ease. So those are all the items that I chose as a select member. Now on to what Fabfitfun chose for me, and this is a below the belt, a croc card case. It's a fake croc design, so you can put your cards in there. And then I didn't know about this until I just saw it, but you can put a little bit of cash in there too, which is handy, isn't it? Oh, and does this open up? Yeah, that opens up too. I actually quite like that, but whether I'll use it or not, I don't know. But I'm not going to give it away. I'm going to keep it. The recommended retail price for this card case is $35. This faux croc case features convenient slots for your ID and credit cards. So that's the first pick Fabfitfun chose. Next, we've got a product by Daily Concepts, and this is a body brush. This is a daily facial brush. Sorry, not body. That'll take you flipping ages, wouldn't it? Just got a little hanger, so you can hang it up. And that's what it looks like there. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, it's not too harsh, which is good. You don't want anything too harsh on your face. Always use Daily Facial Dry Brush only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality of it. Use brush in a sweeping motion along the forehead, down the nose and chin, and outward strokes across the cheeks and down the neck, stimulating lymphatic pathways and encouraging drainage to reduce puffiness and to exfoliate. Follow up with a cleansing and moisturising routine to help restore skin after your facial workout. I have never done that before. Where have I been? It makes sense, doesn't it? Makes sense. Oh, I really like that. To buy this, it'll cost you $20, and then it just goes into telling you what I've just read off the back there. It's got a dry brush. And lastly, we have got a liquid eyeliner, and this is a black liquid eyeliner by the brand Aesthetica. I haven't heard of that before. Oh, it's one of these. It's one of these. I'll open it up and show you now. Got a little pot there, and then you've got your nib. Yeah. Oh, I like that. The recommended retail price for this eyeliner is $21. This high impact liquid eyeliner glides on easily and stays on for hours. So those are all the items. So to recap, I'll just go through them one by one, showing you what I got. I've got an advanced teeth whitening system. Got an LED makeup mirror, Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. I got a set of 4 Ipare chopping boards. I've got a below the belt, a croc card holder. Got a Daily Concepts dry facial brush, and I got a black liquid eyeliner by Aesthetica, as well as paying, I think it was $10 to have this gorgeous robe. I am really chuffed with this month's box. I knew I would be. Winter boxes have not disappointed me yet. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this season's box? Have you ordered a winter box for yourself, or are you watching this wondering if Fabfitfun is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.